Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and take a look at your account statement and download it from eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website if you have not already by going to eToro.com right here. And once you open it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here, we can get started opening up the Join eToro button by clicking on it to go and sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go and log in normal using the login button right here. And now we can get started. So after you have logged in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, where the left side of the screen you're going to be able to take a look at the menu with all the options you have for trading, investing, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to take a look at our account statement. So here we have an article on the official eToro Help Center on where is the account statement located. So basically it's available on both the web version and the mobile app. So you can access it directly using the link right here, or you can find it via settings on your real portfolio. So to go into your settings, click on your account settings. This is going to be in the left hand menu. As you can see right here, you're going to click the settings option and then you're going to click on account. On the eToro mobile app, tap on this button right here at the top of the screen and click settings, and under documents you are going to click view to the next to the account statement, and then you're going to be able to access it. From there you're going to have the download button, or you can take a picture, whatever you prefer, but this is how you get started accessing your account statement. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.